Hello. It's staying cold this weekend and there'll be further snow and ice to watch out for in places as well. Primarily northern Scotland, but later in the weekend, eastern parts as well. We've still got showers running into the north of Scotland, rain and sleet at lower levels for the Northern Isles, Western Isles as well, but certainly inland we'll continue to see that snow building up. And through the weekend, inland parts of northern Scotland expected to see another few centimetres, and over hills 15 centimetres, perhaps as much as 30 centimetres for some of the higher parts. So some significant snow to come across inland parts of northern Scotland, but very little snow further south, because here we've got the clear skies and overnight the very low temperatures, -3, -4 Celsius typical, but where we've got snow cover, where we've got some shelter, it looks like -10 Celsius is possible, or even a touch lower in some of the more prone spots. And then we begin Saturday with a wintry look for all of Scotland, either the frost and the ice, some freezing fog patches as well through central parts, but also those snow showers continuing. Again, I think rain, sleet around some of these coastal areas in the north and northwest, but certainly inland for parts of northern and increasingly northeastern Scotland, we'll see that snow continuing to build up. Showery snow coming through, so it's going to be on and off. And then you can see the winds begin to change direction during Saturday, and as a result we're going to pull in some of these wintry showers across southeastern parts later in the day. So the likes of Dundee, Edinburgh could catch a wintry shower later on Saturday and into Sunday. But further west and south, clear spells prevail, and it's going to be cold wherever you are. I think inland and certainly over hills, temperatures at 0 or below. Coastal areas, just a few degrees above 0. And with the wind in the north and northeast, it's certainly going to feel cold out there. And you can see this more organised area of precipitation coming into the southeast. And that may well, inland, bring a couple of centimetres of snow and more than that over the hills. So a yellow warning for snow and ice there for southeastern parts of Scotland as we end Saturday and go into Sunday. More of these showers feeding in. Rain and sleet around coastal areas, snow inland, and certainly a good few centimetres of decent covering over the Pentlands, for example, over the southern uplands. And then that moves away later on Sunday. We've got further showers feeding into the north of Scotland, but clear spells in between. So crisp winter sunshine for many, and in many locations inland, I think just a frost continuing through the day because temperatures won't get above 0. And even where they do get above 0, it's only 1 or 2 degrees, you can see. These are the daytime maxima temperatures on Sunday. So not a huge amount of snow for populated areas, but certainly the potential for some snow for the likes of Dundee and Edinburgh, more so inland and over hills, and it's over the higher parts of Scotland where we could see some significant disruption.